So in today's video, I'm going to do something a little bit different, and I'm going to be talking about AI and what role does it play in dental photography. So just like you and many others, I'm kind of scared of AI. You know, I've watched the Terminator movies, and John Connor warned us of the potentials of AI, but until we reach that point, I think that AI can be of some use to us. Lightroom Classic has released some beta versions of their AI when they're doing denoising and removing artifacts in the photos. So I want to go over that right now with you guys. So right now we're looking at just the patient. I know they're not smiling. It's not a optimal smile shot that you can see, but I just want to show you how the denoise effect works in AI with Lightroom Classic and how it could potentially work on smiling photos. Okay, so we have a photo here, and my ISO, well, actually what happened was it was a really dark area, and I was using the A7 III. I didn't have enough light, blah, blah, blah. And so I ended up with some noise in the photo. So I need to denoise this, and you might encounter this while you're doing your dental photography, and you want to know how to get rid of it. Well, I'm going to show you the easy method. So you want to go under Develop here on the screen, and then check out this noise reduction button, and you just want to click on that, and it's going to enhance it. So it's going to kind of give you a preview of what it's going to give you. So you can see here, you can kind of reduce it so it doesn't look as like polished. So you can just bring it back a little bit. You can bring it up to where it was. And then all we have to do is press enhance, and we just watch this photo turn to magic. There it is. It kind of looks like AI a little bit, those AI images that you see online. However, when you zoom out, look what it does to the whole image. It's amazing. If you're ever in the situation where you don't have enough light and you're getting really noisy photos, this is one trick that you can use inside of Lightroom Classic that will help you out a whole lot. Okay, so the second image I wanted to show you is, where is it? So let's look at this image. This is a frenum that we want to get rid of. This is not necessarily what you're going to be doing. This is just showing you how it can remove things in the mouth very easily and make it seamless, like there's no editing has been done. Okay, so if maybe, for instance, you have a little bit of swelling after you did veneers and the patient isn't coming back for a while, and you're like, man, I wish I would have waited, I wish I would have got that photo before. Because that patient might not come back, and I'm sure many of you have encountered that situation where you have to get the shot that day, and if they're red, inflamed tissue, then you just have to deal with it. But this new tool is going to allow you to forget all that. Okay, so you can take your photo right after the procedure. So what we're going to do is go up to this little brush here, click on that. All right, you want to make sure that the creative AI is turned on. It's early access, it's just telling us that it's new. All right, so I want to take my reticule here, and I'm going to highlight the frenum. Okay, and what I want to do is subtract it, and I want the tissue to blend. Okay, so we'll select subtract, then we're going to hit apply, and then we'll just wait for Skynet, is what I like to call it, do its thing. Okay, so let's see what happens. Okay, now you notice that it looks like it was done by a laser. Okay, but really what we have three choices we can choose from. So that's the first choice, and you look down here, this little it says 1/3. That's 1 out of 3 that you can select. All right, so we're going to choose that one. All right, so that is how you use AI to make your photos stand out and how you can clean up your photos really, really easily. So if you're interested in a list of all the equipment that I'm using currently right now, there's a link below where it will take you to a live Google document where I'm updating it constantly, and you can get a list of all these tools, even if you're a beginning photographer, veteran, whatever, and it tells you where to get it on Amazon. So check that out, and I'll see you in the next video.